Tropical storm Pamela was formed on October the 10th, about 425 kilometers southwest of Manzanillo, Mexico. Pamela is expected to be a major hurricane when it reaches the coast of west-central mainland Mexico on Wednesday, October the 13th. It could bring life-threatening storm surge, flash flooding and dangerous winds. Pamela is expected to pass near or south of the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula as a hurricane Tuesday night. It could bring strong winds and heavy rainfall to the extreme southern portion of the peninsula.